Hey everyone, welcome to Blogging with Erica. In this video, we'll be talking about the best blogging platform for making money. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so and let's get started. So the best blogging platform that I highly recommend and use is self-hosted WordPress.org along with Bluehost.com. Now WordPress.org is used by over 35% of all of the website owners on the internet, guys. This is an open source software that you can use to create blogs, websites, apps, whatever it is that you're trying to create online. Now, the best part about this website is that they have so many beautiful designs, plugins, features that you can use to create your website in any niche, in any category possible. You can build responsive mobile sites and you can manage your website wherever you are. Now, even though WordPress.org is free, you will need a place to host your blog. And that is where you will have to pay a little bit of money to be able to create your website and have it online on the internet so that it's easily accessible to anyone and everyone wherever they are in the world. Now, you can do this by using a hosting platform like Bluehost. There are so many other ones out there like HostGator, SiteGround, and so on and so forth. But the one that I use and I highly recommend to all of my audience is Bluehost.com. I've been using Bluehost for over 5 years now, and I host so many blogs with them. I've never had any problems, and I know that they have an awesome customer service. Their prices are, affordable, and I highly recommend them, guys. Now, Bluehost actually hosts over 2 million websites worldwide, and as you can see, you can get started for as less as $2.75 per month, and it's so easy to set up your website with Bluehost. It takes like 5 minutes, guys, and I highly recommend using Bluehost for hosting your WordPress website. So what I like most about hosting your very own blog on WordPress.org and Bluehost.com is that first off, you can have your very own custom link to your blog. You can serve ads from Google AdSense, as you can see here on the side as well. You can embed your YouTube videos. You can add, links to affiliate products that you are affiliated with to make money on the back end. You can go ahead and sell your own products. You can do CPA marketing. You can have a list of a resource page with products that you promote. You have access to tons of plugins that helps make your website looks and work better. As you can see here, most of them are free that you can download from your dashboard. You can add themes, a lot of beautiful themes that you can use on your website for free. You don't have to pay a single cent. You can also go ahead and edit your HTML codes to make your website look whatever way that you want it to look. Add widgets and all of the different accessibilities you will have control over, unlike other free blogging platforms, which I'm about to show you in a second. Now, having your very own self-hosted websites, help you get brand deals, sponsorship. You can sell your own affiliate courses. You can sell your ebooks. You can have widgets here selling ad spaces from websites like Buy Sell Ads and so on and so forth. So your possibilities are endless when you have your very own self-hosted blog or website. You have so much control, and the best part is that no one can take it away from you. So guys, if you want to go ahead and give Bluehost.com a try, there's going to be a link in the description below that you can use to sign up, and that is actually my affiliate link, and I will highly appreciate it if you do use it. But you can also go straight to Bluehost.com and sign up for your hosting plan if you choose to do so. So there's also going to be a link in the description for over 475 profitable niches that you can get into to build your blog around to actually start making money online. and you can download that completely free from the description below. So next we're going to be covering the free blogging platforms that you can use. But guys, you need to know that when you're using free blogging platforms online, they're usually made and they're great for personal use. Because you see, they come with such limitations. And the worst part about it all is that after doing all of your hard work and putting in time and money, it could get taken down at any time. Other reasons why you don't want to use free blogging platforms is that they give you less space. You can't add custom themes like I showed you before. Certain links are not available. They're not allowed on their platforms. You can't add plugins. You can't edit your HTML codes. You can't embed videos, and you can't have your very own domain name. And also, you won't be able to get sponsorship from brands, and you won't be able to make the kind of money that you will want to make when you're putting so much effort in creating your own blog on the internet. But with all that being said, the free blogging platforms that I recommend are Blogger, Tumblr, Medium, WordPress.com, which is different from WordPress.org, and Wix.com. So Blogger.com is actually my first recommendation if you want to create a blog online and be able to make money and monetize your blog, because Blogger.com allows you to integrate AdSense ads on your blog when you reach a certain amount of monthly visitors, along with a certain amount of posts on your blog. You will be able to add AdSense to your blog. Another reason why I highly recommend Blogger.com is that you have over 15 gigabytes of free space that you can use, and you can also upload custom themes that you can use on your Blogger blog. You also have the ability to edit your blog and make it look how you want it to look. But the downside is that you cannot, have a custom domain unless you pay for it. Now, Blogger actually gives you that option to add a custom domain. You can add affiliate links, you can embed videos, and you have a lot of possibilities with Blogger.com, and it is completely free to go ahead and use to create your blog around. You can also sell affiliate products on Blogger.com. So my next recommendation will be Tumblr.com, and what I like about this website is that you can add custom themes to your blog when you create it on Tumblr, and there's a huge base of users that will actually see your content when you publish it onto the platform. You can get engagement, views, you can get clicks, you can add affiliate links, and you can make your blog look and feel exactly how you want it to look. You can monetize this blog as well, so it is another option that you have besides Blogger.com, and it is free to go ahead and set up your blog. You also have the option to embed videos. You can add affiliate links. Whatever it is that you're trying to promote, you can use Tumblr for that as well. But you need to know that the demographics of this particular website is for younger age groups. So when you're creating content on this particular blog, you need to keep that in mind, because you want to know what you're able to promote on this particular platform with your blog. Now, with that being said, Tumblr also comes with its limitations as well. Like, there are a certain amount of posts that you're allowed to post within a day, certain amount of images that you're allowed to upload to the platform, but they don't have an exact amount of space that is required for each users. But they tell you that you're allowed to post certain amount of images and certain amount of posts on the platform per day. So next you have Medium.com. Now, Medium.com is a very high authority domain that can help get you found on Google search when you create content on this platform. What I like about Medium.com is that there are tons of users on this platform as well. And if you happen to get one of your posts to go viral on here, you can get a lot of traffic. And if you're promoting offers or you have YouTube videos that you want to send people to, you can get a lot of traffic by using this website. And it is a blog that you can go ahead and set up, and you can create, your custom page and create content on this platform, and you can get visitors right on the platform as well. You can also promote affiliate products on this website. You're allowed to add links to any affiliate product that you are promoting. So it is another great option that you can use to create your websites around. Now we have WordPress.com, and it's different from WordPress.org. WordPress.com is, a full system, and there's going to be a link up here if you want to learn how you can create your blog on WordPress.com. And what I like about this platform is that you can actually choose from different themes and templates to build your blog around. But what I don't like is that you can't embed YouTube videos. Not all affiliate links are allowed onto the platform. You can't integrate ads. There's so many limitations, and you don't have enough space. So if you're going to be using this type of website, you can use it as a portfolio, to showcase your work. But what I do like about it is that, similar to Tumblr and Medium, you have this huge base of users that will actually see your content when you do publish it onto the platform. So it is another great option that you can go ahead and use if you want to create your blog or your website. It's also highly mobile responsive as well. So finally, we have Wix.com. And this website is actually great for creating landing pages, templates, grabbing email, and building your email list. But the worst part about this website is that there's so much low disk space that you can use, and you can't add enough content on this platform. So I think you have around 1 gigabyte of free space that you can use. And the learning curve of creating your website on Wix is a little bit, advanced, because there's this building blocks and all of the different options that you need to master to be able to create your blog or your website around. But it's great for creating like an e-commerce shop that you have products and you're promoting to a specific audience. You want to create a landing page and showcase your work and all of those different stuff. But to create a blog that you're going to be adding so much content to, I do not recommend Wix for that. You can also use affiliate links on Wix. It is allowed. And you can embed YouTube videos on Wix. It is allowed, but you have so much of very low space that you can use on this particular platform. So those are all of the best blogging platforms that I recommend that you use. And if you like this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, leave your comments below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you so much for watching, and stay awesome until next time.